Now let's take a look at our Tpt App Settings. To access the settings, simply click on the Settings icon at the bottom of the TPT console. Once in the Settings page, you will notice 4 tabs on the left-hand side of the page. The first tab is the About tab, which simply states the current version of the app you have loaded on your device. The second tab is the Preferences tab. In this tab, you are able to perform some key general or master settings for the TPT app. The first item in the Preferences tab is Default Language. Here, you can choose the language you would like to use as your default for our lyric slides. The second item in the Preferences tab is Default Video File. Here, you can choose the motion background you would like to use as your default for our lyric slides. The third item in the Preferences tab is Performance Mode. Here is where you choose how you would like to hear your accompaniment tracks played. By choosing Split Track, you are set up to perform with a live band by activating the click and vocal cue tracks for each song. In this mode, additional tracks for the click and cues will appear in the mixer, allowing you to control their levels in your mix. Output for this mode is set to click and cues panned hard left and all instrument tracks panned hard right. But by simply touching the click button located next to your Save Mix button in your mixer, you can swap these channels to be click and cues right and instrument tracks left. Another mode we offer in the TPT app is the Mono Soundtrack mode, which eliminates the click and cue tracks altogether and sends a mono signal of all instrumentation to your sound system. This mode works best with mono sound systems. The final mode we offer in the TPT app is the Stereo Soundtrack mode, which eliminates the click and cue tracks and sends a stereo signal of all instrumentation to your sound system. This mode works best with stereo sound systems. The fourth and final item in the Preferences tab is the Planning Center Online Sign-In. If you are familiar with the Planning Center program being used by many churches today, you will love this feature. Simply create your services and song sets on your computer using the Planning Center, creating your song arrangements exactly as you want them to be. Then, when you sign into the Planning Center on the TPT app, your services and song orders will instantly be accessible. And if you have purchased the TPT song file for any songs you use on the Planning Center, those songs will automatically be loaded up in the exact manner in which you arranged them on the Planning Center. The third tab in our Settings area is the Set List tab. This is where you will be able to access your purchased songs, create new set lists, and customize those set lists to your exact specifications. By pressing on New, you create a brand new set list, give your new set list a name, and add your songs to that set list from your library of available songs. Once you have your new set list created, it is time to start customizing your song set. First, you are able to set your play through or play stop functions for each song. This allows you to plan out a service and include any pauses you need to make for offerings, announcements, or any other events that may occur during a service. Second, you are able to choose your motion background you would like to show behind the lyric slides for each song. You will be able to choose from a list of any motion backgrounds you have purchased. Third, you are able to choose the language in which you would like to see your song lyrics displayed for each song. These translations will be ever increasing as we strive to reach out to worshipers worldwide. The final section I would like to discuss on the set list page is the Song Pre-Arrange area. You can access the Song Pre-Arrange area by pressing the blue arrow located to the far right of each song in your set list. Once in the Song Pre-Arrange area, you will notice 2 song maps, the Master Song Map and the Custom Song Map. By dragging song segments from the master song map down to the custom song map, you are able to add segments to your song in any order you choose. Also, by dragging segments out of the custom song map, you are able to delete any song segments you choose. This feature gives you complete control over how you want your songs laid out in advance. Work out your song sets and arrangements ahead of time using this great feature. Then, when you are in the middle of your worship set and the Spirit prompts you to sing a section again or go to a completely different section of the song, you do so at the touch of a button. That's Total Praise Tracks.